There's certain traps I can't escape, you set them down.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a hair video. I haven't done one in a while. Honestly, I just haven't been really inspired to do hair. But today I want to show you guys my go-to hair routine and my go-to hairstyle. One of you guys mentioned that you would love to see my hair look from my fall makeup tutorial. If you missed that video, I'll leave it right here. It's just been my go-to look, very sleek, but where the ends are flipped out, flip them out going inwards, and then my curtain bangs that are not so curtain bangy anymore. They just like to be very voluminous and go out. So that's the look that I'll be achieving today. I already washed my hair. I like to start off with a deep conditioning mask. This one is by Shea Moisture. It's the Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil. This is like very thick. I actually like using this on dry hair, and sometimes I'll even put a little bit of oil in it. Keep it up in a bun, just out of the way for at least 30 minutes. That's what I like to do. And then I go in with shampoo and conditioner. I've been using the Necessaire Scalp Shampoo and Conditioner. I reviewed those products in a different video. If you missed it, I'll leave it right here. My scalp has just been a bit itchy. It's not necessarily dandruff, but I'm definitely getting on top of that just to maintain my scalp care. Now you're all caught up, so I feel like my hair is pretty dry or slightly damp because I did my makeup first. Since I'll be using heat today, I'm going to go in with the Bumble & Bumble Heat Shield. This is a blow dry accelerator, so it just speeds up the time. It's a heat protectant. It's a very light spray. Because my hair is on the drier side, I like to use a leave-in treatment. This one is by Shea Moisture. This is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. And then with a detangling brush, I'm just gonna brush my hair, and no tangles whatsoever. And that's because of the Necessaire conditioner. It works so well. And I don't even brush my hair in the shower because I can be lazy. I want to add a lot of volume to the front pieces and towards my ends. And since I want them to flip out, I need something like this. This one is the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer. This is my favorite. It is absolutely worth the hype. I never use the hot setting. It's way too hot. I don't know how anyone could because it's so hot. They should have done low, medium, high. I think that would have been a little more appropriate. Always low, so keep that in mind. I do like to separate my hair because I have naturally wavy textured hair. To make sure I get everything, I like to separate the top part from the bottom.
There's certain traps I can't escape, you set them down and walked away. So now I'm here alone, just waiting, hoping that you'll come and save me. But think I gotta fix this by myself. I don't need a mix in someone else. I can't even think under your spell. Could be getting by with just your smell.
See how I guided my hair to flip towards me? And the key is to put this under your hair, going away from the face, and then tucking it in, and then holding it, and then you just keep doing that step over and over.
Inside my brain, lit it up and sent it down in flames. Now I'm barely getting through my days. Maybe I'll forget you on the way, but who's to say?
See what I mean? How it just goes inwards. It's so pretty. And then what I like to do, since my hair is still warm, I'm gonna go in with one of these. It's a Velcro roller, and just roll it. And you don't even have to roll it all the way, and then it will cool, and this will make the hairstyle last even longer. This is actually what my hairstylist did when I was at the salon. The hairstyle lasted for days. I was shocked that the flip ends lasted for so long. And once you get the hang of this, it goes pretty fast.
In here it's cold, it's always raining, always snowing, almost May. The thought of you so far away just breaks me down, and I'm afraid I'm stuck. Now I gotta fix this by myself. I can't put my sins up on your shelf. There's no way to win.
And then again, just using a Velcro roller. For the hair on the bottom, I only use one. But if you have thicker hair than me, you might need a few. I'm actually gonna get my bangs out because I like to do my bangs separately. So just put them on the side.
You failed. There's no sunny days without some hail. Weather never seems so hard to take. Felt you in my dreams and thought you'd stay. There's so many things I had to say. Maybe I'll forget you on the way.
larger barrel, so I'm actually going to use this one since it has already cooled. Make sure just to go very gently. All right, guys. Last section. I am getting hot. I shouldn't have worn a sweater for this tutorial. So I'm going under the hair and going forward. Look how beautiful my bangs look. And they look so shiny. I like using a medium-sized roller, so just a little bit smaller. And now you just have to wait until everything cools down. And then we're gonna take all these rollers off. I was watching some TikToks and there are some that make me so emotional. Every time I go on TikTok, I don't know why the algorithm keeps throwing them at me, and I just follow all these people with such beautiful stories. Anyway, finally all of these are cooled, so I'm just gonna take them all out. You guys should see my floor. It's an absolute mess. Thank goodness you only see from my chest up. Look at this little chunk. I was pulling my hair out a little bit last winter, and now it has finally been growing. I don't know if it was like stress or what it was. I think it was a bit of stress. And then my bangs are now cooled. Oh, that is so satisfying. And lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. This is from Gizu, the best. Highly recommend. If you need to, you can also add a little bit of hairspray if your hair has trouble holding a hairstyle. Definitely go in with that. Now, I think in that photo, I had my hair as a middle part. You can totally do a side part like this. That's what's amazing when you dry your hair going forward. You can like switch it up if you're someone that touches their hair throughout the day, like me. I sometimes start off like this and then I end up like this. Oh, I just love this hairstyle so much, and it works so well since my bangs have grown out tremendously. It's like sleek, but it's like voluminous in the right areas. I hope you guys enjoyed my current hair routine and doing that flipped end look. If you did, like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye!